Okay, moving on to the book that is taught. So when the encyclopedia is a classical text, the Herbal Encyclopedia is a classical text that was taught but on the Institute by Sheikh Atabek, and what it does is it covers all the practical herbs that are used. So herbs, plants, minerals, etc., that are used within a remedy making. Now the text covered will be from a classical text called Kitab al-Mujaz fi al-Tib, and that was by a famous scholar, Ibn Nafis, and we've gone through the biography of Ibn Nafis and what level he had within Greco-Islamic herbal medicine and what effect he had, impact he had on the world. Okay, so then by the encyclopedia, the text will be covered letter by letter through the Arabic alphabet, which means we will start with all the herbs that are covered beginning with the letter Alif. We will try and follow the general format of the table below that I've done for you. So we'll give you the Arabic word for each herb from the encyclopedia, the transliteration of that. Now ashuk in or English or the Latin, in English it's gum ammoniac, and in Latin it's Dorema ammoniacum. Dorema ammoniacum. Now the mizaj of this is hot 3rd degree and dry 1st degree. So it looks a bit like the dandelion, but it's not because of the leaves that are attached to it. So that's the way to understand or find out what the herb is when searching for the herb.